guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I got for Christmas haul. A quick disclaimer, I just wanted to say that in no way, shape, or form is this me trying to brag. I just wanted to share the makeup products that I got for Christmas because I absolutely love watching other people's videos of this, so I thought it'd be fun to do my own. If you like this kind of video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe so you can check out my other videos when I upload. And other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. The first thing that I got for Christmas is a new pair of Lily lashes in Miami, and they're actually on my eyes right now. I just put them on for the first time, or at least the first time for this package, and I love these. These are my favorite lashes ever, so I'm so excited that I got another pair for Christmas because my other ones are honestly like wrecked at this point because I've worn them so many times. Another thing I got for Christmas is the NARS Wanted palette, and this palette is honestly similar to a lot of the other palettes that I have, but I wanted it because I love warm tone palettes and it's just so gorgeous. Like when I see a palette online, I honestly like die over it if it has warm tones, and this one is just so stunning and I knew I had to have it. All of the shades, they're super pigmented and creamy. I tried it out in the look that I'm wearing today, and there will be a tutorial going up for that either before or after this video, I'm not sure, but I will leave it linked down below. Another palette that I got is from a brand that I've been wanting to try for a while, and it is the Juvias Place Zulu palette. And this palette, the packaging is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see from like the light shining on it how it kind of shines back like holographic. It is so gorgeous. And then in the inside, this is like different than most palettes that I have. It has a bunch of colors because I realized that I needed to kind of step out of the warm tone zone and start working with more bright colors, which is why I chose to do this look right here. It's like a combination of my usual but with some pop of color in it, so I'm really happy with it and I love how it turned out. But I used this shade right here and it is absolutely stunning and so pigmented, and I swatched a couple of the other ones and they're so creamy, and I've heard so many people rave about Juvia's Place and I want to get another palette by them because so far I am loving this one. But I was so excited about this just because, like I said, I needed to branch out and get more colorful palettes, and I wanted one that was good quality. I do have like a Coastal Scents, it's like 88 or 80 eyeshadow shades, and it's really colorful and that's why I wanted it. But as I've started using eyeshadow more, I realized that the quality of that isn't the best, so I wanted to try a good quality palette, and so I figured that was a good opportunity to try out Juvia's Place. So I tried this one and like I said, so far I'm absolutely loving it. Another palette I got for Christmas is the Morphe 3502 palette. I love the shades in here, obviously because they're all warm tones, but they are so gorgeous. I think I just put my ear in that one. But they're all so pretty, and this palette is just so like aesthetically pleasing. I don't know, I just love how it's like so many browns and oranges, then you have like the really pop of like bright red and orange right there, and then the black down there. Just like the whole thing makes it like so like cohesive and beautiful. I'm obsessed. I haven't tried this out yet. I've swatched a couple, but I am so obsessed. I love Morphe and I love all of their, oh my god, I love all of their products that I've tried. I've tried out the 35K, the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is one of my favorite palettes, and I love all of their brushes so much, so I'm so excited to try this out. Another thing that I actually got with a gift card for Ulta, which is a Morphe product. It is the Morphe M4x1 brush because I figured while I was there I might as well grab it because I hate ordering online and paying for Morphe shipping because it tends to be a lot and I hate waiting for things to get here. And then another thing I got from Ulta with that gift card was the Evian Natural Mineral Water, and this was like in a 2-pack, and a lot of people think this is ridiculous and stupid and whatever, and then there's other people that like love it and say it's amazing and you need to get it. So I tried it and honestly I love it. It is pretty much just like water in an aerosol bottle. Like not even pretty much, it is just like water in an aerosol bottle. Like ingredients: water, nitrogen. I'm pretty sure nitrogen is just like to make it spray, but like I could be wrong because I'm not good at science, but like literally that's like the only ingredients. but like it's incredible. It just makes your face like feel so refreshed, and like, I don't know, I just like feel like this is a must-have product, and it's kind of a waste of money, but I'm definitely going to be getting more whenever I run out of these, because like, I don't know, they're just so incredible somehow. Moving back onto the palettes. This palette I've wanted for so long. It's just like a gorgeous palette. You'll see, you know, warm tones in the palette, which is part of the reason why I love it so much. But I also tried out the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and that is my favorite palette ever. It's literally my holy grail palette. And the unfortunate thing is, though, that was $65, and this palette is so expensive too. It's $65, and I just like, I couldn't justify getting a second one, even though the first one was so amazing, and I was kind of just admiring it from afar and like obsessing over it from afar. But my boyfriend actually got it for me for Christmas, and let me tell you, I am so obsessed. I've only swatched it so far, I haven't tried it out, but I'm so excited to try it out. This palette is probably one of the most gorgeous palettes I have ever seen, and I know so many people like rave about like Huda palettes, especially this one. This one's like before the Desert Dusk, obviously, and I also heard that it's like gonna be going out of stock, so I'm so thankful that I got this. I don't even know how to explain how happy I was when I saw this palette. I'm just like obsessed. And I'm definitely going to be stepping it up and doing a lot more tutorials, a lot more looks, rather than just like once a week. So I'm definitely going to try to do a lot more. My plan is to get like really ahead on school as soon as the next semester starts up, so then I can spend like a lot of time on videos, and I don't have to worry about like catching up and being behind and whatever, so I have energy to do both. But yeah, so then another thing I got is the Anastasia blush kit, and this is the Radiant one, and I'm super excited. I don't really venture out very far with blushes. I don't know, I feel like to me they're kind of like all the same, even though I know they're not. So I wanted to try this because I wanted to get more blushes into my collection, and I love Anastasia. They are like my favorite brand, like in the top 3 of my favorite brands. So I wanted to try this out, and I'm super excited about it. I also tried this out in the tutorial that I just did, along with the Juvias Place palette and the NARS palette. So I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited to get more use out of this. And actually, I was surprised about the size. I was expecting it to be like the size of a glow kit, but when I opened it up and I saw that it was this size, I was like, actually, I felt kind of relieved, because like the glow kits, you know, I feel like they're just a little big and like bulky, but this is just like nice and compact, and like if I were to travel or something, like this would be nice and easy to bring with, rather than like a big like thin thing. This is more like smaller and thicker, so I like this packaging better than the glow kit packaging. But yeah, I'm super excited about these, and they're all so pretty. Another thing I got from my boyfriend for Christmas is the Becca. I honestly don't really know how to say this. It says appraise. It's like A-P-R-E-S, but like over the E it has like the little accent thingy. So I don't really know how to say that. It's like appraise, whatever, ski glow face palette. And this palette is so gorgeous. It's like, I'm pretty sure I'm like literally blinding you right now, but it's so gorgeous. It's all reflective and like a giant mirror. And in the inside, the whole thing is like a giant mirror too. Like there's a giant mirror right here and right here. But all these shades are so pretty. This is like a really pretty icy blue shade. And here, this is like a blush, but it has a tiny bit of shimmer in it. This one I think is honestly like a shimmery bronzer, because it's not shimmery like a highlighter, but it's not super matte either. It's like in between. But then there's also this like blushy highlight, like not a blush highlight, but like a blushy toned highlight. And then there's a golden champagne one here, and this one's going to be too dark for me, but I'm going to use it as like an eyeshadow shade. It's like a dark copper highlight, and they're all so pretty. I swatched them and they're so buttery, and I literally just touched the mirror, and now I'm like really cringing because I'm going to get the mirror dirty. But this is so pretty, and I'm so excited to try this out. I love highlights so much, in case you can't tell from my face, it's like literally glowing right now. So I'm super excited about this, and I love the packaging. except for the fact that I just got fingerprints all over it, but the packaging is so gorgeous. I also got this little mini Chanel lip gloss, and I'm really excited about it because it's so adorable and it's Chanel. I've never owned anything Chanel before, so I'm super excited. I swatched it and I also put it on, and it's not like a sticky lip gloss. It's like nice quality, which I mean, obviously I guess you would expect from Chanel, but it's super gorgeous and I really love it. I'm really excited. Then another thing I got from Sephora with a gift card is the Benefit Professional Pearl Primer. I mentioned this in my past, or not past video, the tutorial that I did on this, that I was looking for the full size, but they were all out, but I really wanted to get it, and I had to spend $2 more before the end of the year to make it to VIB status. So right now I'm filming this on the 30th, and I bought this yesterday on the 29th, so I had to spend $2 more before the 31st to get VIB status. So I was going to go in there for this, but they only had this size, and there was really nothing else that I wanted from there that was like in my gift card range. So I just decided to get the travel size and try it out and whatever, even though I know it's like not the best like ratio of money to product compared to the full size, but I figured why not, I'll just get it anyway, and then another time I will check back for the full size version. And then last but certainly not least, I actually used this in a video and in a haul. This was actually a Christmas present, but I just used it early because I wanted to have interesting content to post. So I also got this. You already know that I love them so far, and I actually used them like twice, and then I just like put them away, or like I just gave them to my mom for like Christmas time to unwrap them, and I didn't touch them for like however long from then until Christmas. So I haven't had these in my possession for a while, but yes, so I'm super excited to use these again, and I'm super excited about this just in general. But yeah, that is pretty much all for this video. That is all the makeup that I got for Christmas. I'm super excited to try it out, and I'm super excited to have so much more makeup to use in videos, and I will have better makeup looks on the way, more different than my usual warm tones. Definitely going to start going into more colorful looks. And also, can I say that I'm actually really obsessed with my eye look today. Once again, I'm going to link the tutorial down below whenever it's uploaded, if it's before this or after. But I'm so excited. I love that blue shade. I think it makes my green eyes look really nice. I feel like I've said that in a lot of videos recently about how like certain colors make my green eyes look nice, but I've been like trying to use a lot more shades recently that will like make my eyes stand out, make them look more green, make them pop and whatever, because that's like my favorite feature about myself, honestly. So I mean, I guess it's good that like I work on my eyes a lot, considering that's like my favorite feature about me, because then I can like, I guess, show it off and put it to good use. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials hopefully, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!